If you want to make a thumbnails for your YouTube but you don't have computer right now, this tutorial review will show you how to make thumbnails with CapCut in mobile. So on your mobile you have to install the CapCut app and launch it, and then create a new project and select your photos, and I'm going to selecting a photo background and I want to make a thumbnail, so I have to change the ratio. So I'm going to selecting here ratio and selecting YouTube, and I'm zooming the background to make it perfect, and then tap on overlay, add overlay, and I'm gonna selecting my first photo, and I'm going to remove the background of this photo. So I'm gonna selecting here cut out, remove background. Here you can see the background has been removed, and again I'm tapping on add overlay, selecting another photo, add, and also I'll remove this photo background, cut out, remove background, and now I'm going to add some text here, add text and giving my caption. Going to style, selecting a style from here, effects, and here you will get bunch of effect. I'm gonna selecting this one, tapping on style and changing the font color, font, I'm gonna changing the font, done. And now to save it you have to take a screenshot, and now you have to crop like this, tap on save, then go to your gallery, and here you will get your thumbnail. So this is how we can make thumbnails with CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.